You know, we've had some cool communications between some viewers on the channel. One of those is Silver Bullet on the M5 forum, M5 board, excuse me. Anyways, I've been communicating with him quite a bit. He had, you know, an issue with his where he was throwing a timing issue on one of his, I believe his exhaust cam on bank 1. And he reached out to me on the M5 board, and you know, we kind of went back and forth. I think he was kind of at the end of his rope. You know how these cars can get super frustrating super fast. But man, he was able to fix all that stuff and figure it out. So let me add a couple clips and some short videos to this video and kind of show you guys. It's just really cool. That's what this is all about, being able to help people in the community, people around the country, get these M5s back on the road. Both of us have Silverstone metallic M5s. His is actually a manual, so that's pretty cool. But two M5s right back on the street within a week of each other, so that's just awesome. You know, these things could have been easily sitting in a junkyard somewhere, or you know, just being parted out. So I think it's really cool that we were able to get these back on the road. What do you guys think?
Exhaust leak there, but I'll fix it. What a f***ing sight, man. Woo! Woo! What a f***ing journey this was. Check for leaks and put this together. No check engine lights. Well, hope it doesn't blow, literally, but no check engine light.
Alright guys, well what I wanted to cover today really was just get my email, send me some pics of your builds, send me some pics of your cars, your projects, whatever you got going on, and let's show the community. Let's show all the other viewers what we got going on. It's pretty awesome, and I'll post some videos and some pictures of Silver Bullet's dilemma that he just was able to get to the bottom of and repair. And yeah, just a little update, guys. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. Unintended acceleration out.